Hello, hi guys, hello, how are you? I hope that everyone is doing good. So in this video, I'm going to teach how to, explore Google Analytics. So people who don't know what is Google Analytics is, it's one of the Google's product where we generate reports. We can, monitor our ads if you're running ads in Google advert you if you're running in any advertisements in Google in Google products like YouTube or any other platform. So you need to monitor that, right? So in order to monitor that, you just have to you just have to monitor how much impressions it's running, how much amount of clicks it's running, it's is how what is the click-through rate. So it's very important to note that. So I hope that after generating insights, generating reports would help you, especially digital marketers, to perform well. So this reports can help you to give some idea that why your advertisement is not doing good. So if you, for example, if you're running on Facebook, in the Facebook inside there will be an advertisement option where you can you can advertise things. So you can advertise why it's running, why it's not running. So you can monitor it through all the metrics. So that's why Facebook has got its own insights. So for that, for coming to the Google, you need to have Google Analytics. So well, I don't have a Google Analytics. I don't have a account, but I mean the Google offers us a demo account where we can explore Google account. So this is how like we are going to explore it. So I'm going to show you a small video. Just hold on. Let me minimize this so that you know. Okay. Okay. So that's here guys. So we are in a it's a Google, it's a demo account. So there is an option over here. You can see access demo account. Okay. You need to click this and uh, just hold on. Yeah, so you need to click this, and once you click this access account, there will be option like yeah, get access to the demo. No, not this thing. Yeah, so get access demo account. So once you click the access demo account, you will be showing this page. You'll be shown this page. Just hold on, let me on my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is on, off, sorry. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you can see over here my yeah, this is this is the once you open the Google ad account, I mean Google Analytics demo accounts. This is Google's merchandising account. So where you can see Google's different type. These are the I'll show you one by one how it works, what and all the important factors we need to check. Okay, so yeah. So as you can see over here guys, this is the first page where you can so these are the all accounts. Okay, so this is the demo, this is the account where you know uh, you can go inside and you can explore. So this is how it looks on the first page. So on the first page, coming to the home, you have on the left side you have home, customization, real-time audience acquisition, behavior, conversion, attribution, discover, and admin. If you come to the admin part, you can see over here that you can you can set your account. You can set your account, you can check like what and all, like you can make some changes, you can add up to this is just my one account. You can also create many accounts over here. And okay, so if you are having a website, you know how to do that, right? You need to copy that JavaScript and you need to paste it over here. So once you paste it over here, the Google Analytics will automatically read the I don't know how to in technically how you speak, but that is how. So you need to copy that JavaScript. So coming to the point, as you see, so this is the home. So this is how it looks like. This is just like a report card. Okay, So if you're, if you're showing a report card, you can see that there is a lots of you have a marks, internal marks, external marks for all your subjects, right? And that is how it is. So you can see users, there is almost like 12k users, revenue $1.6k, 0.31 conversion rate, and session. So users are 12k users, means that is total of 12,000 viewers on the last 7. You can see the, the amount of days. So for the last 7 days, I mean the Google had, I mean the merchandising account had somewhat like 12,000 people as a user. And coming to the revenue part, they have earned somewhat like 1.6. So just hold on, let me see what the Google merchandising is all about. Merchandising. Yeah, so this is the Google merchandise store. So you can see, let me click United States. Okay, yeah, so this is what the page, guys. So in for this page only, we are looking for the Google Analytics. So you can see they are selling different types of products like drinkware, shop now. So they are selling, this is a cup like kind of a type. And coming to the stationery part, this is they are also selling products like t-shirts. It's a Google t-shirt. And bags, supernatural bags. What else they are having? Coming to the lifestyle bags, are they selling only one bag? Okay, oh my god, see, so all these bags are available. They are offering bags for $20, $6. Google front bag gray. Okay, these are the different types of Google products. Cool, this looks good, right? Okay, these are the different types of Google products. Okay, coming to the shop. Okay, coming to the, oh my god, I'm going somewhere else. Yeah, so coming to the t-shirt part, Google Eco. Okay, fine. Okay, they are, so there's a, you are having a pen. I mean, you can get a pen, you can get a notebook. Okay, this looks classy. Okay, coming to the point. Okay, coming to this part, I guess this, okay, so this is what the product, guys. I mean, this is what people are looking for. Okay, and this is how you buy, just like in Amazon. If you're, if you want to buy a product in Amazon, you just have to buy it, right? And that is how it works. So like, yeah, so this is how it works. So coming to the point, guys, yeah, so people who are all around the world, they come and visit this website. So the moment they visit this website, they are counted as an user. Okay, they are counted as an active user. I mean right now I am, surfing on this website, and I am a current user. I am a user, active user. So okay, so let's go to this revenue area, this part. So these are sessions. Okay, I mean sessions are counted as the moment I land in someone's page, and the time, I mean the duration which I am spending on that particular website, that is what we call session. Until unless I exit, the time I land on that particular page and the time I exit, the between time is called the time between landing and exiting from that website. That is what we called a session. And the session is like, here you can see it is having an average of 15k. So 15k people are having I mean a normal session. So you can see, you can also adjust the days. You can also adjust last 90 days. So you can see that for the last 90 days, they had, I mean the Google has earned a revenue of $1,68,000 dollars. And coming to the conversion rate, 1.19 percentage, session and users 160k. Okay, so these are the traffic channels. You can see, I mean you can get an idea about, I mean from which source, from where people are coming. So you can see over here on February, on coming to the Feb month, you can see over here that the dark is direct, the the dark blue is little, so you can see over here, the chart shows that this is the darker compared to, this is the darker, the so I mean, people, I mean, they are getting a traffic of lot from direct. So people are, most of the users are directly typing in merchandising and directly entering into that particular website. But if you come to, paid search and all, I mean, they don't have to, run a paid search. But anyways, like Google does not need any advertisements. Come on, guys, you must be kidding. Yeah, coming to the affiliating part, display. So so these are all the display advertisements. So you can see any Facebook, or if any blogger is running a website, on that, on the right side, you see the display ads, right? And through that, if they click that particular, they directly land into this page, and that's how they are buying this product. Anyway, so these are all the traffic channel. Coming to the source medium, see, you can see over here, direct, Google, CPC, and these are coming from others might be, so if any person would have, tried a backlink, and that is how they would have got it. Coming to the referrals part, referrals are, these are some of the referrals: creator academy dot youtube, creator academy. So these are some of the referrals where they are, I mean, the traffic is coming through. Okay, so this is the home, guys, and coming to this, you can see page views per minute. So the active users right now are 26. We are also active users, so that is what, in the 26 we are also one among that user. So you can see active pages, what and all the pages they are visiting. So if you are having your own website, and if you are connecting the Google Analytics, you can get in lots of idea sites, like what and all they are showing. So coming to this part, how well do the retain users, and this is this is showing like what is the, retention amount. So you can see on the, on the January 10 and 16, the retention is 10,868. Slowly the retention is going down. And coming to this part, you can see from where, I mean, from which country, which location people are, watching. So you can see over here from United States, India, Canada, France, United Kingdom, people sessions by country. They are dividing the sessions by country. And also time, you can also see which time they are, they are visiting your website. So like, this and all is also a one type of, tips, and one type of, reports where you can improve your websites. If you're having any websites, and if you want to improve, this is also one kind of an website. And these are the revenue part. So you can also see that the, I mean, the users, which one they are trying to click, and which one, yeah, see, you can see over here there are amount 423 clicks, and out of this, the cost is $574, and the revenue they have generated and clicks. So that's it. Yeah, this is from home. So coming to the real time, guys. Okay, let me start from, so this is the real time overview. Let me click this. Okay, so this is the real-time overview. So coming to right now, we have almost like 23 people, active users who are already in the website. So you can see over here the, the page views are different page views. These are the different page views which they are visiting, and these are the, per second, how many per second people are, visiting this websites. And coming to this active pages part, this, you can see, I mean, where they are mostly, where the users are active, more active. So you can see right now there are 6 people who are active on the home. See, I am inside. I'm not in the home, I am in the sales section. So you can see over here, like, see, I'm in the apparel. So these are some of the part where, and you can see there are 6 people out of this who are already in the home. So they are using the home right now. And this also shows that where we are from. You can see over here, let me put it on this left side. Okay, on the top, I guess this would be fine. We all be using, right? Okay, this was okay, this would be fine, cool. Okay, so coming to this part, as you see, there are top locations which are shown over here. So these are the locations where people are, visiting. So you can see, I don't know which country is this. This might be Russia. Below Russia, okay, Russia, and these people are from India. I'm one user from India. One Emirat, uh, Sunlifia. Okay, fine. Okay, these are the different top locations mostly people are visiting. So like, so that is how it is. And coming to the, there is no source file, so they are directly clicking it, I mean directly typing it, and they are coming directly. So fine. So coming to the location, we have to separately click the location part. Yeah, you can see right now which location we are right now. So you can see, I mean the last part it was not showing, right? But then this part you can see that I mean we are able to see this. So you can see over here the United States have 7 active members, I mean active users are from United States. Then I mean 7, and out of 7 total 14 people are using, and 2 from India, and I'm out of 2 I'm that one person who is using this. So you can see, yeah, so you can see also how many people are right now from which country. You can see so from India there is one, and that's me. Anyways, so we can check the traffic source of the I mean the real time is all the active users, guys. These are talking about all the active users whatever on there. So you can see there's a direct, so people who have came to this, so currently there are 22 active users, and out of this 21 active users have directly typed www.google merchandising, then directly they have came into that website. But you can see over here one person have typed Google, and again he has typed that merchandising. Coming to the content part, I mean which content they are preferring. So this gives an idea to us that what users normally like. So what users, I mean what I mean active users, which page the more active users are more engaging. So you can see over here most of, I mean there are 4 people, 22.2% of the people are mostly engaging on the home websites. And coming to this 5.56% of the people are spending more time in a redesign in apparel, I mean apparel, all that stuff, and drinkware, bags, all this 5.56. I mean it's having an average amount, but mostly people are spending time in I mean home. Coming to the event part, event part, okay, okay. Coming to the event part, they have an enhanced e-commerce so where they are having almost like 376 people out there. So let's see the conversion rate. So right now there has no conversion rate right now so far, so that's why the results are 0. But if there is, I mean if someone would have purchased any product, then automatically like we'll be getting 1 or how much. But anyways, I mean currently no one is planning to purchase. But anyways, this is just a small metrics, guys, to make where if you want to know that what active users, if he's buying anything, there's a very good idea that you can know like how many people have bought this product, I mean currently. So I just forgot to show you that I just forgot to tell that that 77% of the people are using desktop, and 23% of the people are using mobile. So you might ask me, and you might have a question in your mind like, what is this? Like 77%, it is going to make any sense? Yeah, it is going to make any sense. You will get some idea that before placing a advertisement on particular thing, that you will be getting an option whether to show this kind of advertisement in the desktop, people who are using desktop or people who are using mobile. So with this metrics you will be getting some idea that okay, I mean 76% of the people are watching in desktop, which means you should prefer desktop rather than choosing mobile, because 24%, only 27% of the people are using mobile, I mean they are using. So this is one idea, guys. I'm just telling you an idea. This is just a small idea where you can where you can make use of it when you are running any ads for your websites, or if you are having any e-commerce websites like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, like that. Anyways, coming to audience part. So let's come to the audience part. So let's see the overview of the audience part. So this is the overview of the audience part. You can see here the overall metrics, what and all is there. So this is from hourly basis how much we are getting audience. So from the hourly basis we are getting Let me check for this month. So we here, okay, let me put on this side. Okay, so coming to this part, you can see over here we can adjust the dates. Okay, so let me check for last 90 days, last 30. Okay, let me check for last 30 days. So last 30 days counts from January 22 to Jan 20. So let me apply it. So for the last 30 days we are having, on a hourly basis we are having, I mean, people, you can also put it on the months. Okay, so for our hourly basis we are having active users. So you can see over here, if you keep on dragging, and if you keep following the curves, you can see over here that these are the users which are which are these are the users who are from Wednesday, Thursday. These are the different types of users which they are using. And like, these are each and individual users who are using these websites. Coming to the day part, let me click the day. Yeah, so you can see you are, I mean, you can, if you find it hours are very hard to, you can also categorize into days, and you can also watch how many users are coming for each day. You can see for Saturday total users 1543, for Sundays 1073, and for week you can also calculate it with the week. So you can see over here, so for January 24 to January 30, that particular week you have total users of 13,934. If you compare to the next week, you have 14,506, and again 12,000. There is a decrease. So the moment, I mean the metric, when the when the number shows decrease, automatically the chart is shows below. And these are the users who came for the last 30 days. So totally there were 53,241 users. New users who came were 49,150. And sessions, how many sessions were overall, it is it's showing, and number of sessions per user. So minimum there were 1.28, I mean per users they were using 1.28. Coming to the page views, these are the page views, how many page they are trying to click. So these are the different page views, and total of 2,98,414. And coming to the pages part, session 4.39, session duration, just hold on, let me come. So yeah, yeah, coming to the audience part, you can yeah, so you can see over here, so how many countries, you can divide it by countries, demographics. So you can see over here, so for the last 30 days, uh, just hold on, yeah, it's for the last 30 days, you can see the United States had almost like 20,149 users. India had 4,770. Canada, I mean, like all the countries which are showing right now. So you can also divide it by city, which city they are, I mean the most of the people. So you can see from from United States there were 935 people from New York City, and from Singapore, from London, San Jose, San Francisco, Toronto, Los Angeles, Sunnyvale, Seoul. And these are the list of people, I mean, who has seen the from the United States. So coming to the browser part, you can see over here the Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox. So these are the, you can also see from which browser they are, they had their I mean they have landed over your website. So I mean the Google Analytics can track from which browser you have come. So you can see the people mostly Chrome, 41,000. I mean these people use Chromes. Coming to the operating systems, these, I mean these won't work with us. This is not that much useful, guys, so you can skip that. So coming to the active users, I mean these, I mean you have, as you have seen, these are, this is also giving a small gives you a small metrics on how many active users. And coming to the lifetime value, this gives the overall lifetime value of, I mean overall lifetime value of how much you have earned for the last 90 days. So it's almost like day 87, and almost like total amount of money earned by Google. So let me check this in, let me check this in how much amount Google has earned. So let me go to dollars. to INR. Okay, so let me check. So they have earned almost like, oh my god, this is a huge money. 4 lakh 44, 4 lakh 4 crores, 44 crores, 44 crores, 65 lakhs, 3,000, 31,910, 44 lakhs. Oh my god, that's a huge money. So far they have earned somewhat like 44 lakhs, and that's a huge money, guys. Anyways, so coming to the this part, the coming to the demographic part, you can see over here. I mean, demographics are normally gives an insights about what age they are. So you can see 43.4% of the people are female out of 100 percentage. 43.4, I mean, which means that most of the people are males. So 56.6 percentage of the people are males. So it's almost like 12,643 users on the last 30 days, and 9,679 people are from from the female side. And you can see, I mean, the list of people, from I mean, these are divided into different age categories. So you can see over here, from 18 to 24, 28.2, 22 percentage of the people are using. And coming to this part, 25 point, I mean, coming under, I mean, 25 to 34 age, 33.836 percentage of the people are using. And coming to this part, 35 out of, I mean, between 35 to 44, 16.62 percentage of the people are using. And coming to this part, between 45 to 54, 11.5 percentage of the users are using this. I mean, people who have visited. So this gives an overall idea of, the maximum. So the age under 25 to 34 are more compared to all. Oh my god, even 65, above 65 are also, interested. But anyways, that's surprising. So you can see, if you click the demographic, guys, you have an overall idea that, you can also check from based on the users, based on the sessions, based on the pages, based on the average session, user bounce rate, everything. So you can get some idea that, if you click the demographics, you can click some idea that what kind of I mean, what age category of people are watching my websites. This will give you a small insight, this will give a small tips, that whenever you are placing an ads on and websites like Facebook or Google, you can, target these particular demographics, because each and every ads are very important for each and every ads. I'm talking about impressions. So for 1,000 impressions, you have to click, I mean, you have to give some amount. And if you are ranking good, it's fine. But if you're not ranking, you have to increase the bid. So if you place the advertisements in in wrong demographic or wrong location, automatically your advertisement amount will get wasted. So this will give a small, an idea that, mostly 24 to 30, I'm 20, I guess 24 to 35, right? Am I wrong? Okay, let me click. Yeah, so you can see mostly 25 to 34, between 25 to, under the age category of 25 to 34 people, they are mostly, I mean, I'm comparing this thing, but you can compare it through your website. If you are running a website, you will also get some insight like this, and you can also get some idea. Okay, so this is how we need to, judge some, I mean, you need to judge that, okay, this is how, like, I mean, the age category under 25 to 34, I mean, they are more interested. So you can place an advertisement on this particular kind of people, I mean, this particular category of people, so that you don't have to, invest advertisement, you don't have to place advertisement on these categories, because these total are, I mean, like, it's an absolute advertisement. You can cut a lot of cost, but it's a waste of time, if you waste of time and money, if you place advertisements on, I mean, under the category of these, I mean, these four categories. Okay, coming to the interest part, I mean, you can see over here what and users are interested. If you are having an website and the user might be spending a lots of time on that particular website, you can get some idea, and it also gives a particular idea that what and all I have to improve. So coming to this part, you can see over here, shoppers value part. Coming to the here, you can see in this is affinity category, other category. So you can see most of the people are spending their time in 3.87 percentage shoppers and value shoppers. And coming to this part, you can, if you explore this merchandising account, you can come to an conclusion like what they are, what they are spending most of the time. You can see over here what they are mostly spending time. So you can see over here, guys, the apparel 2 percentage, the career part 1.98. These and all are, are the category where people are, spending time. So coming to the affinity categories and in market segments. Okay, coming to the geo category, let me check the geo category. So these are the languages, these are the different types of languages, also giving you an insight about languages. So you can see mostly English users. This comes like FR is French, I guess. Okay, fine. So you can see over here, so how many users, I mean they are divided into different languages. And see finally the location, so you can get some idea. So even if you are running an Facebook ads, you can get some idea that which location. So these are tier 1 countries. You can see United States are tier 1 country, so you can place ads on this particular country where you can get a lots of sales over there. People would there is a lots of possibility for, I mean probability for click on the sales, I mean get conversion. And I mean they have generated lots of amount. You can see India over here, they have generated no revenue over here. Canada is so far good, but United States is country where they have generated somewhat like $24,000. Okay, coming to the behavior part, you can see how they are, what is their engagement rate, their session quality, everything is calculated. So you can see, let me click over here, behavior part. So how the behavior gives an idea that how your websites is performing. So you can see over here, returning new visitors, returning visitors. You can see there is 49,464 people are new users, new visitors, and so far this is doing good. And people returning visitors. Okay, coming to this part, you can also sort by different acquisition, advertising behavior, social timing. Just one second. Yeah, so you can see over here e-commerce, e-commerce affiliation. Let me click the affiliation part. Okay, so for each and every every metrics there is, they are divided into different users. So you can visit, you can know the number of users, how many users have come. So let me click the session quality, where I mean how your websites have performed towards quality part. So you can see over here there is a direct sessions, new users, how is your behavior. What is the meaning of bounce rate? The meaning of bounce rate is when someone enters into a website without clicking any links, he goes back, I mean exits. Okay, that is what we call bounce rate. Bounce rate also an indication that you are targeting a wrong audience. Suppose you have a retail shop. Okay, I mean sorry, I mean suppose, let us take a small example that you are in the market, you are selling a dental products. And if I target person who is who is good with the teeth, or if I target model, I mean if I target someone who's having not who's not having any problem with any any dental issues or having, do you think that my advertisement will go good? Do you think that my clicks will go good? No, it won't, because when there is an demand, when there is a scarcity, when people are looking for a product, in that time if you spend if you place an advertisement for that particular people, for that particular audience, definitely they will, there is a lots of probability for making conversion. But here it is not possible. So the same way, you know you need to place that, so if you click, if you show it to a wrong people, if you show it to the wrong audiences, automatically they will definitely click it, but the moment they click it, they will exit it. It is happening because you are targeting to the wrong person. Okay, the someone who is looking for that particular product, you need to target on that person. I guess nowadays, I mean, people are not making mistakes in the advertisement, but mostly in the SEO part, most of the people are making mistakes, and there's a lots of bounce rate. If you are having any websites, you can see after maybe 2 or 3 months, you'll come to know that there will be a lots of bounce rate. I mean, the percentage of bounce rate would be high because most of the people are just simply, landing in and just exiting out without any reason. So coming to the conversion and probability, let's see what is the conversion rate. Okay, so coming to the conversion rate, you can see transaction 461. So this is the conversion rate, $22,000. Directly someone is coming inside, and this is affiliates. So someone would have, this is a affiliate, so someone would have come from affiliating, but there were no purchases. So you can, from this you can infer that, that people who are coming directly, who are coming directly to your website, landing directly your websites, they are having a, I mean, they are only purchasing the products mostly. And paid search, okay, so I mean, okay, Google is running a paid search, that's why. Okay, so this is not helpful, guys. I mean, like, I don't think the paid search is, helpful. And there is no, I mean, you can just you can compare these two, guys. There is a huge number between this. Okay, it's almost like 20 times higher. And I mean, the directs, you can't compare the users who are coming directly with some others. They are like unbelievable. Okay, coming to the technology part. Okay, so these are again the browser part. You can see over here what browser they are using. So most of the users who are coming over here are mostly using Chrome. So this and all is the benchmarking, different channels. Okay, yeah, so you can see over here different channels from where they are coming. Average session. So these are the new sessions, these are the new users, these are pages and sessions. Average session duration, so you can see over here how many durations they have spent over here. And this is also a bounce rate. I guess 4% is fine, but there are some websites where they are getting somewhat like 50%, 70% bounce rate, which is like horrible. Guys, they are extremely targeting the wrong audience, and they are that's a bad SEO. Seriously, that's a bad SEO. Yeah, coming to the device benchmark device part, you can see over here desktop, tablet, and mobile. This is also, the, I mean, the behavior. I mean, the people who are using desktop, you are having 92.40% session. Coming to the, if you compare the mobile, this has been decreased. And coming to the acquisition part, let me go to the acquisition part. So acquisition part, okay, these are the four biggest things: real time, audience, acquisition, and behavior conversion. These are the five major, uh, reports you can get from. So coming to the acquisition part, you can see all the traffic channels. So let me see all the traffic. They will give an idea about all the traffic, and the tree maps, how it works. So I guess, I mean, that a few minutes ago I have seen. So these are the tree maps. So you can see 45,610 people are direct users, and you can see over here paid search are extremely low, displays are totally down. So these are very high. So coming to the Google Ads part, I mean, if they have ran, if you can also click accounts. So see, so Google, how Google have, ran a ad. So you can see over here they have, they have ran a ad, and you can see there is 16,859 clicks were clicked, and out of that the cost which they have spent, and the CPC, the user, and the sessions, total amount of bounce rate. See, you can see 63.63. I told you guys, this bounce rate is like, it's too much. So I mean, the bounce rate, the average amount of bounce rate you can have is only like 40%. If you go above 40%, you are targeting the wrong audience. And coming to the revenue part, see they have how much they have generated. Okay, just hold on. Okay. Okay. Okay, coming to the behavior part, as you can see over here, uh, we have already clicked the behavior part, right? Yeah, so coming to the overview of the behavior part, you can see over here how many people, what is the, in this behavior part you can check how your website performs. So you can see over here the site content. So this will give you an all pages site content, how the page views, number of page views, how the unique page views, average time on page. So these are the average times. So mostly, as I told you, people are spending more time on the home page, because the home page, I mean, like, normally everyone comes on the home page. So that is how people are seeing. So you can see over here bounce rate 51.53. So let us click on the site speed. So the site speed gives how much seconds the site takes to load. So you can see over here average page load is 3.60 seconds. It's okay. And 0.15 redirection time, and the domain lookup time is 0.01. So the Firefox, I mean, it's taking almost like 2.60 page load. The country, let's come to the country part. So you can see over here Italy. Okay, Italy, Thailand, these are the different countries, and they took an average page load of 1.60. So this is also showing that how much time it takes for that particular country. I mean, don't get me in that way. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that if someone from Italy goes to Google Merchandising.com, so someone who is sitting, I mean, in Italy and typing that, for Italy it takes 1.60 seconds. So it's also spreading. So Russia takes more time. It's like 2.64. Russia takes more time. So this is how they are, so they can improve this. They can improve this part. And coming to page timings, these are the page timings. You can see over here uh, average for 3.60. So average is 3.60. So it's okay. So 1 2 3, that's it. So there are also some, you can also improve, guys. I mean, if you're having any websites, you can also work on your pages. I mostly I mostly heard that there are some websites, I don't want to mention, but I heard that some of the websites like Shopify having a very low page speed compared to Magento. And Magento is very good at uh, loading speed, and it's also having a high security issues. So Magento is a very good very good at you know what to say, in loading speed. So let's check the user timing. So you can see over here the user timing is almost like, okay, wait, it's taking a load. So you can see the user time, it's not showing anything, so it's just a zero, it's just a blank. Coming to the site search and overview part, usage. Okay, so these are the site search, where you can see over here 2500 people. These are different sessions, how many sessions they have gone through. Site usage goal set 1. You can also see e-commerce. So visits without a site search and visits with a site search. So it also calculates this category, and this is how you can understand the overall view of how it is. So coming to the conversion part, this is the most interesting in any when you are a digital marketer. Conversion is the ultimate goal for any digital marketer, or any some, if anyone who is any marketer, because conversion is the main goal. That is how it decides, the deciding factor, whether your websites, the ads which you ran, the websites, all these metrics, all these calculations, everything, all the reports, all the analyzation, that is the judging factor. So Conversions are the one of the most important part. So let's go to the goals. Click the overview. So you can see goal completion almost like 12,606 people have completed the goals. Goal value, there's nothing goal value. Goal conversion rate 18.55%. That's pretty good. Coming to registration 1913. Okay, so goal completion location, so you can see where they have completed the conversion rate. So from your information, that part 2937 people have completed their conversion. I mean, that's what they're trying to say, the goal part. Coming to the funnel visualization, you can just explore, guys. You can just explore each and every time, you will get an idea. So see how the funnel I mean the Google has the Google has designed. So you can see over here on the cart 7,474 people are coming and 4,758 people are exiting. Okay, and billing and shipping, there is 0 and 700 people are exiting. Payment 2016 people, out of this 521 people exit. So purchase completed 1,400 people. So this is how it's showing the funnel goal bar. So you can design, you can when someone is entering into your websites, you can design according to it if he wants to come to the home page. I will also give you a small suggestion that we recently saw that I mean the visitors are spending more time on this particular page. So you can place that page on the front so that as soon as the user lands on that particular page, he can directly come and go inside that that pages, and I mean that page, and they can spend a more amount of time, because most of the users won't be having any patience. The audience and right now on this current I mean on this current period of time, the customer I mean the audience retention rate is very less. I mean the retention, I mean the time takes for retention is almost like 5 seconds. So within the 5 seconds you have to attract someone, or else you're going to miss that and there will be no retention. Again, he's not going to come. So it's better that you place that particular page on the front, I mean maybe near to the home, so that he does not have to keep on digging and have to go to that particular page. So people who are interested on that particular page, you can put it on front. That's what I'm just trying to say. So coming to the e-commerce part, so you can see shopping behavior. So you can see over here the list of metrics, revenue, the same revenue which we have seen. So you can also compare each and everything. Okay, you can also compare revenue versus commerce conversion rate. You can also compare quantity versus e-commerce conversion rate, quantity versus revenue. So you can also compare quantity versus, this is what the beauty of Google Analytics. You can compare each and every metrics and you can get some idea like how it is made. So you can see over here internal promotion. Okay, fine. So yeah, so that's it. So I guess I have, yeah, coming to the attribution part. Okay, let me see what's the attribution part is. Okay, so the attribution part is nothing, just you just have to open a new project, and that is how. Anyways guys, I guess this is enough for this video. I have taught you just a brief about, just I've just tried to brush up for you just have to explore it, because the more you explore, you can get a lots of idea. You can you can analyze it with these metrics. You can get a lots of idea with all this, and you can perform well, and that is how it is done. So I hope that this is helpful, and if there is any if there is any questions you just have to ask, you can just.
So hey guys, so yeah, we are back. So today, right now, you can see that I'll be talking a little bit more about the conversion part. So you can see over here, yeah, so you can see over here, if you go and click the overview of the conversion part, you can see that that is they have a list of metrics. You can select the metric. They are actually giving an option for selecting a metric. So here you can just check whether the purchase completed, goal value, what's the conversion goal, conversion rate. So you can, if you have no idea what this is, you can also go and check different types of terms, what are those, like the sum of all the individual conversion rates. This is what we call conversion rate. And if you go to engaged users, the number of conversions to the goal. So conversions is basically, it's a digital marketing term where when someone is landing into a particular page, and if he's trying to let us take a small example that there are two people, okay, two members. One of the websites of a member contains some kind of a category, like he's expecting a conversion rate, that if someone lands on a particular page and if he types his name and email ID, that is what we call a primary conversion for a particular digital marketer or a particular blogger. That is one kind of a conversion. But the second type of conversion is where you purchase a product. If for example Amazon, or if you go to an Amazon, or if you go to some other e-commerce platforms, and you go and pick or purchase some retail products or anything. So in that category, what you're trying to do, you're just trying to purchase that, and that is what we consider to be an end goal. So it varies, depends upon the different blogger. So coming to the point, as you see the registrations, yeah, total abandonment rate. So let's click this. So yeah, so you can see, you can compare between the goal completion and total abandonment rate. So you can see over here it is showing for Monday, Friday, February 15, 2021, goal completions of 330, and out of that total abandonment rate of 35.55 percentage. And here coming to so slowly, it's taking off, then again it's decreasing. You can see over here on February 20 it's completely decreased. So you can also compare each and every metrics whatever available over here. Let's compare, let's compare the goal conversion rate versus the goal value. So you can also compare this thing, and if you compare this thing, no, right now we are not getting any, we are not getting, but we're just getting the goals conversion rate. You can see over here it's 18.56, here 16.83 percentage, and here 17.64. And that is how it is. Like the engaged users are almost like 1382, the registrations are 383 576. So you can see over here, let's click the behavior part. Okay, yeah, so behavior part, as previously when I was trying to talk, the behavior tells about different, how your page is performing. So yesterday we were talking about the different page views. So the same is reflecting over here. You can see that the yesterday's result, you can compare yesterday's results and today's result. So yesterday was 6,192 and today it's 6,347. So each and every day here also you can, you can click anything you want. You can also click page views versus bounce rate. So you can also click bounce rate. You can compare both the bounce rates. As I said, bounce rate is nothing but when someone is directly landing into your particular page, and without clicking any links, he is just trying to go. It normally happens because when you are targeting the wrong audience. Normally it happens like that because whenever you try to target a wrong audience, definitely some person, he'll be irritated and he'll definitely click on that link, or maybe by mistakenly he would click that link. But you should have that in your mind, that for each and every click you are paying that for Google. If you're running an ad, you're paying that for Google. So you should have this on mind. You should be very much conscious toward spending each and every money. So you should be very much aware of the bounce rate. I mean, like targeting the wrong audience, you should be very much aware. You should not do that. Let's come to let's come to this part, acquisition part. So I'm just giving a, just a summary, guys. I've spoken everything. I'm just giving you a small summary so that you can, recollect whatever I said. So coming to the acquisition part, acquisition is where you can, you can have a, you know you can have an idea, overall summary of how many, where and all the traffics are coming. This will really help to boost your SEO, boost your score, boost your website score, boost your web page. So this will give an idea. So if you concentrate on this thing, you can target especially. So most of the people are coming from direct, as you see. So yesterday we were trying the results, and now you can see, yeah. So see, for Monday February 15th, I have kept it for week. Okay, I have kept it for the week, so it's showing only the week. So you can see over here, Monday, February 15, 2021, it's like 1,735. Now coming to February 16, it's like 2021, 2,186. Coming to the 17 part, 2,415, 2,329, 1,962, and 1,341. And coming 1,431. So if you compare the conversion rate on this week, it's like 0.37 for the Monday and February 15, 2021, and coming to 0.70 percentage. Coming here February 17, 2021, it's almost like e-commerce conversion rate of 0.15 percentage. And February 18, 2021, it's like 0.23 percentage. Here 0.46, 0.07, and 0.50. So you can get some a better idea that after watching this, like how how you're working, how getting an idea, how you're reading a particular metrics, and how you need to compare. So here it's a pie chart. It's normally a pie chart. So you can see over here 89.1 percentage are coming from direct, which means you don't have to do anything, like but normally this doesn't happen, guys. This doesn't happen with your website. Your website is not that much going to be, this is a Google company. It's a very popular company. It's worldwide. It's a global company. So they are not worried about, so they'll be definitely getting a direct traffic. But here in our case, we all are small players in the internet in the web, so we need to play it safe. So we won't be getting results like this. We'll be getting results like paid search. You'll be getting like 20 percentage. Affiliate marketing through affiliates to display. You need to create a lots of backlink, and that would be a very important factor. Without the backlinks, your websites won't be improving. So while when you're running an ad, it's very important that you should create a backlink. So this is also an offsite of this is also known as off page SEO, where you are providing backlinks. You're going, suppose, let me give you a small example that someone has asked us some question related to retail, like what is the cost of a normal something, blah blah blah. And what you do, you go to that, you answer that query, after that you upload your own video, just by telling that this will be helpful. Okay, you can just go through this video. So you're just providing a feedback. At the same time, you're also promoting your own website. And also at the same time, that is a win-win situation for both. So if you there is a win-win situation, so both of them are, it's useful for both of them. So this is some kind of a useful thing. And Google is trying to Google is trying to capture the entire video of that particular thing. So coming to this part, if you are trying to, there are some peoples in the websites where they are trying to, trying to what to say, yeah, they are trying to create in order to promote their website, they are trying to give a wrong information. They go to wrong topics, something unrelated, and they just try to share all these unrelated topics. So what happens in this case, that we have Google Penguin over here, where Google Penguin, it tracks everything, whoever is trying to create all these things, and he just try to eradicate all these things. And so automatically when the Google tries it, automatically your website score will be down. Then you have, well, if you have to pay any advertisement, you have to have a more amount of bid in order to survive. I mean, survive in the market, in order to if you want your search to be on the front page, I mean on the top page, so it is going to have a problem. So that's why I'm telling you guys, so never, if you're providing a backlink, always put it as relevant as possible, because relevancy is the key. Without staying relevant, it's not possible, I'm telling you. Okay, so we spoke about acquisition. So coming to the audience part, you can, as I said, audience we have discussed already. So this is all the demographics factor. You can also check all the demographics. This is interest part, like what your audience are interested in particular thing. This will give an idea. This is coming to a geolocation, from which location and which language they are talking about. Coming to the which device, this is the device, which are they using, a mobile or a computer. Coming to the technology part, which browser are they using. Well, the browser part won't be helpful that much, but anyways, like it's going to help somewhat. So coming to this part, coming to the active users part, you can see over here, uh, how many active users are there. You can just go and click over there. You can see, you can get a number of uh, people. Just hold on, let me check.
Yeah, so coming to the interest part, as you can see, you can just have an huge idea about what the people are mostly focused on. You can also check the benchmarking part, like West channel, location, uh, you know just hold on, it's taking loading. So you can just see that was a benchmarking lesson. This will give some idea about, it's all about exploring, guys. The more you explore, the more you try to explore, the more it will show an idea about you. So after that, the final value, so it's the overall lifetime value of the, this is very important. So you should check every month. So what's the lifetime value, how much it's showing, are we improving, are we not improving, what and all the things we need to be done so that we can improve. So these are all some of the important factors. So I suggest you normally that, before exploring Google Analytics, I would like you to learn something about SEO, search engine optimization, because search engine optimization will definitely help you. It'll give a major idea. So on the next topic, I mean next video if possible, I'll be teaching you on Hotjar. Hotjar is one of the tool, and coming to after the Hotjar, I will also teach you what is how the buffer is also one of the tool. No, it's an automized tool. You can schedule it automatically. That's pretty interesting tool. And one more thing, Moz is also one of the good analytics tool where you can analyze your websites. So that's it, guys. I hope that this video is helpful. If there is anything you can, if there is any doubt you have, you can please ping me, or you can just comment me, so that I can help you. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Okay, so on the next video, maybe I'll try to teach you and talk about Hotjar, or else I'll Hotjar, I mean tool, or else I'll just try to talk about Moz. It's also a very interesting tool where you can analyze everything. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Thank you. Comment and just click a like button. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I hope that this is helpful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.